Today we are explaining about the heat fusible thread of A&E, and A&E's premium heat fusible thread is available mainly in three standard colors, which is grey, white and black. And as you see, we have something beyond the standard three colors, and we use 8 more additional colors where we give a wide variety of choice for your customers and for any tailored garment manufacturer who wants to go beyond the standard 3 colors. In terms of an application, the thread will be used on a simple 3-thread overlock operation using into a marrow hem for a bottom hem, and the thread will be used on the low looper position, so it will get finely fused with good steam mining or dry ironing. The main usage of the fusible thread would be to complete a sealed bottom hem, and we include the thread with a marrow hem operation by a 3-thread overlock process, and where the thread will be loaded into the low loop of the 3-thread overlock. So here we are taking a close-up look how the thread being applied for the machine and pass through the needle loop formation here. As you see, it is being fed down to the lower looper. We have used the black fusible thread to get a much more better view on this, and we have slightly lower tension on this point just to create a good loop formation on this. And on the upper looper we have used a finer ticket with slightly more tension than the other. And you can see the needle thread, we also have used a very finer thread of 180. So this is how you, if you get a natural close-up look of a fusible loading path, this is how it looks like. The black fusible comes onto the lower looper, the finer 300 will come onto the upper looper, and the finer needle thread, which is with a 180, will go onto the loading path. This is the final process of the fusible thread. As you can see, the fusible thread, we have closed the hem where the fusible thread will meet the body, and you set some vacuum into the fabric. Normally vacuum is being used to set the fabric, and you take off the vacuum because when you iron or when you heat, if you keep the vacuum on, you will cool down the thread very soon. So therefore you use the vacuum only to set the fabric. As you can see, here we have halfway done the hem sealing. This part is yet to be sealed, so you can see the clear difference of a hem which has been sealed and which is not being sealed. Once you cool down the hem, you can turn it on the other way. As you can see, there's no residues, there's no glue popping out of the fabric, so which gives you the indication that it has been a perfect sealing for the hem.